Today we are making cranberry pistachio fudge. First we prepare all the ingredients. Chop dried cranberries and pistachios. They are around 50 grams. Then take white chocolate. I am using white chocolate compound here. You can use pure chocolate as well. It is around 250 grams. Then we prepare our mold. Cover it with parchment paper. Sometimes when I pour the batter or dough into the mold, the parchment paper comes in between. To avoid this, I secure it with the tape. Our preparation is done. Let's make the fudge. In a non-stick pan, take 1/3 cup condensed milk. Stir it and add 1 tablespoon fresh cream in it. Mix it well. When it gets hot enough, add white chocolate and turn off the flame immediately. Mix them properly. You don't need to turn on the flame again. The pan will be hot enough to melt the chocolate. Finally add cranberries and pistachios and mix them well. Spread it evenly. You can sprinkle some more cranberries and pistachio on it. Refrigerate it for 2 hours. Our cranberry pistachio fudge is ready. Try it and you will not regret.